Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of Do It Again by Elevation Worship. I'm really glad that you are back after yesterday's video where we learned both the verse 1 and the chorus. So today we're going to move on and we're going to learn verse 2 and the bridge. But before we do that, let's do housekeeping. Remember, I'm left-handed. That means if you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video, in the description, you'll find helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. All the tutorials there are divided by difficulty level, so it's a really great place if you're a beginner to know where to start. Okay, so I know the night won't last. So I, or pointing to yourself, and then no, remember multiple fingers here at your forehead. No, the night, so you're going to keep that same hand position. Your non-dominant hand is going to be here as a reference point, and you go over, okay? I know the night, and then won't, so you make a letter A, you kind of throw it over your shoulder. It won't, and then last, 2 thumbs up, put those thumbs together, and then push it out, okay? That's continue, for something to continue. So I know the night won't last. I know the night won't last. Your word will come to pass. So your open hand, I'm probably going to make the mistake and do the point, but technically you're supposed to have an open hand. And then word, you take your index finger and your thumb and your index finger of your non-dominant hand, and it's like you make the letter P, but it goes down here, okay? Word. Your word will come, so index finger out from your body, into your body, will come, and then here, will come to pass. It'll come here. Okay? My heart will sing your praise again. So my heart, okay, making a heart over where your heart is. Heart will sing. So sing, you have your non-dominant hand out and your a melody with your dominant hand over your forearm. Okay? We'll sing praise. Okay, it says your praise, but that's pretty busy in there. So we're just going to say we'll sing praise. And then again, your non-dominant hand is out like this. And then your dominant hand with that bent, like that, again. Okay, let's try that from the top. I know the night won't last. Your word will come to pass. My heart will sing praise again. Okay. Jesus, you're still enough. So Jesus, you take your middle finger, showing the nail-pierced hands. Jesus, you're enough. Okay, enough. So your non-dominant hand is a fist, and your dominant hand flat goes over it twice. Okay, Jesus, you're still enough. Keep me in your love. So K's for keep. So you make 2 K's and you tap them on top of each other. Keep me in your love. Okay, arms hugging across your chest. And then my heart will sing your praise again. My heart will sing your praise again. And let's try that from the top. I know the night won't last. Your word will come to pass. My heart will sing praise again. Jesus, you're enough. Keep me in your love. My heart will sing your praise again. Okay, and then it will go back to the chorus. The chorus repeats twice there, and then we go to the bridge. Now the bridge is the fastest part of the song, so if there's ever a spot where you're going to need a little more practice to get it down, this might be it. Okay, so it starts with I've seen you move. So I, and then see. Okay, so you're doing your sight line there. See, you, and then move. You're making 2 C's upside down, and you kind of move them from one place to the other. You move, and then mountains, rock, so 2 fists on top of each other, and then you kind of show the tall mountain. So I've seen you move the mountains, and I believe I'll see you do it again. I, and then believe, something here, and then clasp your hands. Okay, you think it and then clasp your hands. I believe I'll see you do it. So we're doing move, okay? We'll see you move again. And again, we've already signed. So we know that already, okay? You made a way where there was no way. So you, and then made, you take fists, bend your wrists, and then straighten your wrists, okay? You made a way, W's, and kind of showing a path. So you made a way where there was no way. There was no, so letter N, and you kind of knock it. There was no way. And I believe I'll see you do it again. Okay, and that repeats 3 times, okay? So let's practice it. I've seen you move the mountains, and I believe I'll see you do it again. You made a way where there was no way, and I believe I'll see you do it again. Okay, now let's try verse 2 with the bridge, okay? I know the night won't last. Your word will come to pass. My heart will sing praise again. Jesus, you're enough. You are enough. Keep me in your love. My heart will sing praise again. And it goes to the chorus, and then after that it's the bridge. I've seen you move. You move the mountains, and I believe I'll see you do it again. You made a way where there was no way. I believe I'll see you do it again. Okay, let's try that bridge one more time, because I did that really fast. That's how fast the song goes, but we're practicing here, so I'll do it a little slower. I've seen you move the mountains, and I believe I'll see you do it again. You made a way where there was no way, and I believe I'll see you do it again. Okay. Now, for those of you feeling super brave, like you've got it down, let's put it all together. If you're not at that point yet, just head back and practice a little more. But the rest of us, we're gonna go and we're gonna try all of it all together, okay? Walking, so starting at verse 1, walking around these walls, I thought by now they'd fall, but you have never failed me yet. Waiting for change to come, knowing the battle's won, for you have never failed me yet. Okay, and then the chorus, your promise still stands. Great is your faithfulness. Faithfulness, I'm in your hands. This is my confidence. You've never failed me yet. Okay, and now moving on to verse number 2. I know the night won't last. Your word will come to pass. My heart will sing praise again. Jesus, you are enough. Keep me in your love. My heart will sing your praise again. Okay, and then it goes to the chorus, and it repeats the chorus twice, but we won't do it again. Moving on to the bridge, the tricky part. I've seen you move the mountains, and I believe I'll see you do it again. You made a way where there was no way, and I believe I'll see you do it again. Okay, and then after that it goes to the chorus, and then there's a new part. Sorry, at the very end, there is a new line that you should know. Okay? You've never failed me yet, and I never will forget. That repeats twice. So we know you've never failed me yet, and then I will never forget. I, and then will, a flat hand coming out from your face, your cheek. I will, and then never, and then forget. You kind of bring your fingers across your forehead like that. Okay, I'll never forget. So, you've never failed me yet. I never will forget. And then that repeats. You never failed me yet, and I never will forget. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and when you are ready, you can move on to the next tutorial where we sign with the music. If you need more practice, there is nothing wrong with that. Remember, I practice lots before I come on camera, so it would be really surprising if you could do it just after a short little tutorial, but hey, some people are gifted. But if you need to, go back and practice a little more, and then when you're ready, we'll see you at the next video. I hope you're having a really great day. Bye.